Welcome to the video lecture series on probability. I am Professor Mayur Gohil. In this video lecture, I am going to deal with the question that is being shown on your screen, that is x is a random variable with the given PDF f of x, and we are asked to find the value of k, the probability x less than 4, and mean and variance of x. So let us see how to solve this question. Now see, when this question is given to us, we are expected to write certain things before it, and so that the foundation of the answer becomes proper. So the first thing we note down in the from the question that x is a continuous random variable. Having said that, we now know one property of the PDF for a random variable, that the integration from minus infinity to infinity fx dx is 1. Now see, what does this mean is that you have to integrate your function entirely over the number line from minus infinity to infinity, the real number line. Now if you have this as a number line minus infinity to infinity, and we are given the number, the interval is from 2 to 5. Okay, suppose here we have from 2 to 5. Now what it is saying, that we have the value of the function is defined only on this portion, the rest other places over here. In this part it is 0, in this part it is 0, and here in between there is the value k times 1 plus x. So what it essentially means, that when you integrate from minus infinity to infinity, it is as good as integrating the function from 2 to 5, whatever the interval is defined for. So you go for that interval and integrate, you will get the answer 1. Okay, so that is what we have to do. Whatever is the interval given to you, you integrate over that particular interval. The formula is general from minus infinity to infinity, but the interval of the PDF is from 2 to 5, so we integrate it over there. So now when we integrate here, what do we get? Let us see. Therefore, so integration from 2 to 5, k times 1 plus x dx is equals to 1. Now when we integrate here, we get k, and this integration you can write directly, that is going to give you 1 plus x the whole square over 2, and from 2 to 5. Okay, and here is 1. So when you plug up the values, here you get k, and then there will be 1 plus x the whole square, so it is 1 plus 5 the whole square over 2, minus 1 plus 2 the whole square over 2 equals to 1. So here you get k is going to be 36 and minus 9. Okay, and 2 as a common denominator is 1. Okay, this is what you get here, and on solving this you will get k times 27 by 2. Okay, that's equal to 1, and then here the value of k is 2 over 27. That is what you get. So now when you have got the value of k, it is a good practice that you rewrite your required PDF. So required PDF is fx equal to 2 over 27 times 1 plus x from 2 less than x less than 5, and here it is 0, or and rest is elsewhere. This is the required PDF. So in order to calculate the probability p of x is less than 4, what are we supposed to do? So let us again understand via the number line. Our interval is defined from 2 to 5, and 4 lies in between. So how are we supposed to do? Because x is already lower bounded by 2, so this probability is as good as saying p of 2 less than or equal to x less than 4. So this is what we have to find. Now you integrate this PDF from 2 to 4. So the required PDF was 2 over 27 times 1 plus x dx. So on integration 2 over 27, here you have 1 plus x the whole square over 2 from 2 to 4. So on integration here you have 1 over 27 times 5 square minus, here you will have 3 square. Okay, so you get the value of probability p of x less than 4 as 1 over 27 times 25 minus 9, that is 16 over 27. So the probability x less than 4 is 16 over 27. Now let us calculate the probability expectation, okay, the expectation of x. So see, this concept of expectation or mean, what is told to us, mean of x is nothing but expectation of x, and it is denoted by e of x. So in order to find e of x, a formula, as I said, we'll take up the general formula first, but we'll use the way we have the PDF defined over the interval. So instead of now writing from minus infinity to infinity, we will write the given interval. So it is 2 to 5. Okay, x times the PDF is 2 over 27 times 1 plus x dx. Okay, that's what we have to integrate. Now let us integrate this. Therefore e of x is 2 over 27 and times from 2 to 5. I'll simplify the function x plus x square dx. Alright, and so over here at 2 over 27, and then you have x square plus x square by 2, then here there is x cube by 3, and from 2 to 5. So 2 over 27. Now when you plug up the values here, you will get 25 by 2 plus 125 by 3 minus of 4 by 2 plus 8 by 3. Okay, on simplification of all this terms, you will get your answer as 11 by 3. Okay, so that is the answer over here. Now let us go for the further calculation here. Okay, so let us calculate the variance of x. So variance of x is, this is generally denoted by var x, or even you can write v of x. Both the notations are perfectly fine and well adopted by everyone. So v of x formula is e of x square minus e of x the whole square. This is the formula. Now we first find the value of e of x square. So let's consider e of x square. That formula is going to be minus infinity to infinity x square times f of x dx. So let us solve for this. Here you will have e of x square is going from 2 to 5 Okay, integrate from 2 to 5, and then you have x squared times 2 over 27 multiplied by 1 plus x dx. So 2 over 27 will step outside the integration. You have 2 to 5, and then there is x squared plus x cube dx. You integrate this 2 over 27, and this integration will be x cubed by 3 plus x raised to 4 by 4 from 2 to 5. Okay, now substitute the values. When you substitute the values, you'll get 2 over 27, and then there is big terms coming down the line. So 125 by 3 plus 625 by 4 minus of 8 by 3 minus 16 by 4. Okay, on simplifying all these calculations, you will get e of x square as 85 by 6. Okay, this is the value of e of x square. So after this, e of x square you have found, so you go for finding v of x. Okay, so variance of x or v of x, you call it whatever you want to label it, is the formula of e of x square minus e of x the whole square. So let us plug up the values. You have 85 by 6 here, minus the value of e of x is 11 by 3 the whole square. So on simplifying this, you will have your 85 by 6 minus of 121 by 9. So let us calculate this, and this value you will get is going to be 100 and no, it's going to be 1 3 over 1 8. So 13 divided by 8 is the variance of x for this answer. So this question here, and yeah, so this is the answer for variance of x. I hope you like the video lecture. Please consider subscribing to my channel. You'll find more of the videos related to mathematics in my channel. Okay, so please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, those who find it useful. I'll see you in the next video lecture with another topic of probability. Thank you.